Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to get yourself a USB cable. From one side you should connect it to computer, from other side to our device, and we do it this way. We take device, we hold down volume down, and then we connect cable. And that easily we enter boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, boot to FFBM, boot to QMMI. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.